Arizona Gov. January brewer keeps up pro-Obamacare fight. CBS News. cbsnews.com/cbs evening news /cbs this morning /48 hours /60 minutes /Sunday morning /face the nation. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Health. Money Watch. Sci-tech. Crime. Sports. More blogs. The feed battle round the WH Web Show 60 overtime face-to-face resources mobile radio local. Log in join cbsnews.com sign in with profile. Manage my newsletter subscriptions update my email address change my password log out. By Stephanie Condon /CBS News /September 13, 2013, 3:39 p.m. Arizona Gov. January brewer keeps up pro-Obamacare fight. Gov. January brewer, our Arizona, has developed a reputation as an outspoken opponent of the president, but she's going to the mat to defend part of his signature healthcare law. Brewer is one of the handful of Republican state leaders backing the optional expansion of Medicaid, the joint federal-state program currently open to disabled and certain low-income people. Because of the Affordable Care Act, states in 2014 can open up Medicaid coverage to anyone below 138% of the poverty line. Earlier this year, Brewer managed to win a fierce political fight with Republican lawmakers in her state to formally accept the Medicaid expansion in Arizona. Now, she's facing a lawsuit from the conservative Goldwater Institute over her attempts to expand the government healthcare program. GOP rift over anti-Obamacare strategy stalls budget bill AFL-CIO. Obamacare implementation highly disruptive. Representing most of the Arizona lawmakers who voted against the Medicaid expansion, the Goldwater Institute argues its implementation violates the state constitution because it imposes a tax on hospitals yet failed to win the two-thirds support in the legislature that's necessary to impose taxes. The Brewer administration argues that the two-thirds rule doesn't apply in this case. The Arizona Republic reports. Brewer is one of 7 Republican governors backing the expansion of Medicaid, in spite of the ongoing, highly partisan debate over Obamacare. Earlier this month, the Michigan House sent the bill to Gov. Rick Snyder, R., approving the expansion, while Gov. Chris Christie, R. and J. in June signed the budget that would accept federal funding for expanding Medicaid in New Jersey, though he vetoed the bill to make the expansion permanent. For these Republicans, the economic appeal of expanding Medicaid has trumped the politics. For the first 2 years, the federal government pays for 100% of the expansion. Starting in 2017, the states start chipping in, but they will never contribute more than 10% of the cost. Studies suggest states will save money by lowering the cost of covering uncompensated hospital bills for the uninsured. If a state does choose to opt out, its citizens with incomes above 100% of the poverty line will be eligible for tax credits from the federal government to get insurance, but people below that threshold will remain the state's responsibility. All told, as of September 6, there are 19 states expanding Medicaid, with 4 more leaning towards the idea. The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office said in May that it expects Obamacare to increase the number of people enrolled in Medicaid and the Children's Health Insurance Program CHIP by 13 million by 2023. That accounts for around half of the 25 million expected to get coverage from the Affordable Care Act by 2023. Copyright 2013 CBS Interactive Incorporated. All rights reserved. Stephanie Condon on Twitter. Stephanie Condon is a political reporter for cbsnews.com. Popular in politics. Sarah Palin's PAC sued over iconic 9/11 photo. MJ publisher suing Sarah Palin and her Political Action Committee for copyright infringement over use of World Trade Center photos. Representative Dana Rohrabacher claims he arm wrestled Putin. California Republican says he quickly lost drunken match with the future Russian president back in the 1990s. Representative Dana Rohrabacher claims he arm wrestled Putin. Arizona Gov. January brewer keeps up pro-Obamacare fight. AFL-CIO. Obamacare implementation highly disruptive. GOP rift over anti-Obamacare strategy stalls budget bill. 461 comments. Yet again, Congress searches for a short-term budget fix. 69 comments. Bloomberg's influence takes a hit in voter rebuffs. 1 year later, Benghazi's lingering issues. Obama reshuffles economic team. 1 comment. Sad the comment. Link's own reporter Khan Imelikan Mohammed